So here we are at the end of week 3. We have the laundry room here. I didn't say before that we've moved the laundry up to the main floor. This used to be the corner of the kitchen, so we've had to run new plumbing for the drain for the washer, new electrical. This week we've got all of the chases and the floor all cleaned up. We used to have the plumbing here for the kitchen. That's all been redirected here. We had cold air return for the furnace here. That will be under the new island. If we move into the bedroom, we have tons more flooring that we had to remove to gain access for plumbing and direction of cross braces and so forth. The beam is all covered up now. The HVAC is run new for the closet. And we have the new window in. All of the insulation is done. We have the rough-in done for the new shower. I wish there was drywall, but I'm still excited.